Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will try to learn about convert values into binary into decimal in Siemens PLC S7-300. So I will open my schematic manager software and here we will go to the converter section. Here you can see this converter section and here this first command, this BCD underscore I, convert BCD numbers to integer. So we will place this command, and first if you need some any input you can put, if you no need it's okay, and this one output if you like to fix you can fix. For example, this number I will give this I 124.0 an example. This I will drop down and here you will give Q 124.0. This first output also we will take, and here we will give the address MW5. For example, we will take the data register and here we will in out section we will take MW10 data register, and this we will transfer into the PLC. And let's check this one. An example, here we write, for example, this is 6 for example, and you can see it shows the answer 6, and after you will be asked why this write this answer 6 also, because of this area section is the binary. If we type here in decimal numbers also, it will be first convert in binary numbers and after it will shows in the decimal number. This is our decimal number, means integer number, and this is our binary number. So how this binary number, first of all we have to be clear this 6 number is how much binary. Because of this, after using this command basically is a math section. This is can be say this is only calculator, means calculator and converter look like, yani this all commands look like this, and this is integer to BCD and this is integer to double word integer. This is same like this all commands, and but now I will show you how it's this one 6 and out is how is 6. So we will go to our PLC and here we will choose this monitor and modify variables, and in this page we will write our first data register MW5 an example, and second we will choose MW10, and as per seen here is it both values are showing in hexa, so we will change this value because of we are putting here value in the binary. Because of this command is look like name binary to decimal, so this we will choose in the binary and this one we will choose in decimal. Because of this we need in decimal. So when we make this one monitoring, and after you can see this value is showing this 6 in the decimal, and here it's showing binary value. We put it here 6 of the binary, how much 0 1 1 0 is the binary number of the this 6 number. If we like to be confirm this, maybe you understand about this coding sections binary. If you not understand, you can learn from the Google. You can see download also the calculator for binary and converter binary to decimal, and after you will be verify. This is first 0, second one, third one, and fourth is 0. This value we will put in the this Google, and here you can see this is we will put the binary number first. This which number we will see it here. First we will see in the our this value 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 is convert after you can see this the 6 of the decimal number. So we write this 6 value in our this binary area and answer is 6, right? And for example, if you like to write it here, means 8 number and type OK, and after it will be show same like 8. And 8 of the binary how much? After we will see it here. For example, here also you can write, and if we click on this one, reset, after you can see this value automatically transferred there. And 8 of the numbers is how much coming? You can see 1000, or also we will clarify from the Google here 1000 look like, and convert, you can see this the decimal numbers 8, and it's clear now. This is binary number when we put into the, and this is automatically convert this one 8 and show into the next MW10. So this way you can change any value which is in binary you have, and if you put in hexadecimal, or you put in this binary value, or you put in any other automatic, this will be automatically convert this values and shows into the next MW10 data register. And this binary tables, after you can better understand one for example, we also be seen here. Next value we can modify it here. If for example this one thing must be remind, this is the 16-bit data used, because 16-bit data is how, means I will show you in the textbook, after you will be understand. Sorry, what's the name of notepad? Sorry, this notepad, in for example, if we like to be write this data, how much data we can use in this command mw5, and this one bcdi integer value, this is just look like same coming 4 underscore, after again 4, after underscore again 4, and after underscore again 4. So this is 16-bit, yani you have to be used between this value from 0 to here 1. If you like to be use this value more than 16-bit, you will be used, this will be go into fault mode. So for example, I will put it here for example 155, after you will be see it's go into the stop mode, because of this value is greater than 16-bit. You have to be must put the value less than 16-bit. For example, I will modify here 153, after again I will put this one in start mode. You can see it shows the value 99 decimal, but what value I will put it here? 153 of the representation I will show in the hexadecimal. This is 99 I put hexadecimal. And if you like to see the binary, how much of the 99 is the binary, I will show you in the Google. We will go here, convert this one decimal, sorry, hexadecimal to binary, and here we will put 99 and convert this value. You will see the this answer 1001, after 1001 we will match this one, match this answer with our command. This is coming now, this 99 when type it here, this is the 63 decimal number. This is 63 decimal number. If you like to confirm this one decimal and convert this one 99, this is 153 coming. So this one again we will go, this 99 we type it here, and you will be next monitor this one and type this one 99, and here you can see this one 1001 1001. Also you can see it here in Google. If I show you this converter, here you can see this is 1001 1001. Sorry, this one decimal to binary. See 1001 same as this one, this number. When you put this one 99, after this will be convert in decimal and show you into the next data register MW10. So this way you can use any value under 16-bit, you can automatically convert and gives to the result into the next data register MW10. Hope guys you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. And also it's very easy to understand also. This if you like to be see the manual of this instruction, just go only this question mark help and go to the BCD one, and after you will be get the help, and here it will be all this can be you read how this command function this works yani. Hope it will be useful for you, and if it will be little bit useful for you, please give me one thumbs up, like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.